So over 1,100 live channels have now been added into what has to be one of the biggest streaming applications, fully available for your Firesticks and Android TV devices. Now, this application is absolutely free, doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It doesn't require any kind of VPN. It has a superb interface, and you even get that fully working program guide, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And with over 1,100 channels, I'm sure you'll find some content to watch. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get
If you're new to the
started.
channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
And here we can just confirm that posted on Cord Cutting News, Plex tops over 1,100 free live channels worldwide, making it the largest free streaming service. So, I mean, I think the closest rival is probably maybe Zumo TV with like 300 channels, or maybe Tubi TV with like, I think, 280 or something. But to have over 1,000 free channels across all of your favorite categories really is something impressive. And you can see that there's services available in USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Mexico, Brazil, Spain, and Germany. Lots of great content, and of course with that fully working program guide. And here we can just see on the Google Play Store, it's had more than 50 million downloads. And we can see that the most recent update was April the 9th. So hot off the press. Let's now jump over to my Fire TV Cube. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see we have a couple of options on the left, including the option to sign in if you want to. If you want to maybe create favorites, if you want to synchronize your watch list, you can sign in for free. But in my demonstration, I'm going to show you everything that you can do without any kind of sign up or sign in. Now, then you have the option to search, which will then search across all of those live channels, but also VOD content. So a quick demonstration, if I click on search, and let's just type in cooking, or if I just type in cook, we can now see the free live TV, which contains that cooking. We've got the Cooking Panda channel. Then you've got the free on demand section, which has lots of VOD content. Then you've got home, where you'll see some of the popular content, including what's on now, some popular shows, and some other VOD. Here you've got watch lists, and then you've got the live TV. Now, before I just show you the live TV, let's go down into movies and shows, because Plex really does seem to have a bit of everything, where they have that VOD content, movies, TV series, but then also that very large library of live TV content. And here we can just see inside the movies and shows, you've got lots and lots of content in here. So everything from all sorts is in here. You've got Plex Picks, most popular in the UK, prime time, recently added, animal related, blockbusters, best of the West, family favorites, just lots and lots of content. Black cinema, screen legends. Okay, let's go back into live TV. Let's click on that. And this will now load up that massive list of live channels, again, all with that fully working program guide. Now, if you don't go through a big list here, you can see at the top, you do actually have categories. So here you've got featured, that then filters the content to featured. You've got crime, you've got sports. So here, for example, in the sports, we can see we have this Slammiversary. Let's click on that. It says there's 38 minutes left because it is a live broadcast. And we can see in less than 5 seconds, I'm instantly taken into that channel. And you got some guys just... do let me know when you found out that WWF or WWE was not real and it was just for entertainment. Do leave me a comment below when you actually worked that out, because for a long time in my childhood, I thought it was absolutely real. Okay, let's back out of that. Okay, so that's lots of sports channels there. You got boxing, you got cars, you got hockey, you got pickball, you got championship series, lots and lots of sports content. Let's go to the right. Then you got game shows, you got history and science, you got sci-fi and action, you got movies, you got chills and thrills, classic TV. Let's look at nature and travel. Here, for example, we can see we have this channel here, which is showing Leopards of the Dead Tree. Let's click on that. And you can see, guys, I don't ever really see any adverts. So we're now watching this HD nature documentary, and that's working flawlessly. Let's go back. Then you got comedy, black entertainment, cooking, family. Then you got Spanish content, international content, gaming. Let's look at lifestyle. Let's just do one last test just to show you that here, for example, we have Man Eats Wild. Let's click on that just to show you that it's not just one channel, one episode, one season, as this is an official licensed application. Everything is working straight away. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content buffer free and of course 100% free. Let's go back. Then you got music as the last category. Let's go back to the beginning. Then you got the Plex channels, and you just see, guys, I mean, just pages and pages of live content, all properly categorized, all with that fully working program guide. So you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. I mean, just for a complete random test, if I just hold this down, I just do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, so we've got some, I think that's Spanish content there. But just to show you again that every channel in here is going to work straight away. And I'm now looking at some Spanish cartoon content. That's working great. Let's go back. So overall, guys, just a phenomenal update to have access to over 1,000 channels, to have that fully working program guide, but then also to pair that with all of those movies, all of that VOD content in an application that doesn't require any registration, doesn't require any kind of VPN. And really, guys, I've not really seen any kind of adverts in this. So to get all of that in a single application, I really do think this latest version of Plex is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this latest version on your device, if you just press the home button, I can now go over to the search. Let's click on search. Let's now just type in Plex. And you should also find this in your Google Play Store. Here we are. If I now just do an info on that, we can see on the Fire TV devices, this version, the latest version, was updated on the 11th of April 2024. So fairly hot off the press, and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content across all of your devices. If you are looking for the easiest way to change your virtual location, hide your IP address, access content from all over the world, right now there's a super special offer for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.